guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have Tribe Beauty. Do you want to know what's in my bag? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so Tribe Beauty just arrived. I'm going to assume this one is April, May. It's a bi-monthly box, so I always get those confused, but I believe this is April, May. If not, I'll correct it right here. But this is April and May, and I'm really excited to see what's going to be inside of here. So let's go ahead and dive in, and let's see what this bi-monthly box brings us. Okay, so you have some stuff here. You got some more stuff here. And then you got something, ooh, Spongel. If you guys follow me, you know how much I love Spongel, unless it's rose. Is it rose? I give up. It's damn well rose. Okay, let me find the card. Here we go. So here is the card, and it says April. Yes, so April and May. Cotton Candy Kisses is the theme. And let's go ahead and talk about this since we already know what this one is. This right here is Spongel Bulgarian Rose Body Wash Infused Buffer. Value for $16. I absolutely do love these because they exfoliate. They already have the body wash inside if you do not know about them. And then after a few usage, the body wash is not as strong and it gets lighter and lighter in the sponge. So at that time, I just add my own body wash and continue using the sponge for a while until I replace it in all together. But this one I will set aside for a future giveaway for one of you guys to enjoy because I won't enjoy a rose scented scent. So again, that one is valued for $16. Okay, so then the only other thing that's not in a bubble wrap would be this right here. And this says it's a detoxifying clay mask. Ooh, let me see where this is. It says Masquerade. I've received a lot of different Masquerade sheet masks, but I've never seen one like this. So this is Masquerade Matcha Detoxifying Clay Mask, valued for $6.50. This mask is the perfect way to cleanse and detoxify your pores. Want an intense, clean feeling? Use this mask 2 to 3 times a week. Works to rid your skin surface of unwanted buildup and impurities. Assists with prevention of acne. That's nice. So let's see. Ooh, okay, so there's like 3 little individual packets. That's cool. I like that there's 3 different ones in there. So there's that. So now let's go ahead and open up this little package and see what's inside here. So the first item is a Steve Laurent Tweezer Duo Kit. That's cool. We can definitely always use tweezers, especially when the ones we get dole out or they just don't work as good or that kind of thing. So I love getting tweezers because this is something that we can definitely use. This is valued for $24 for this set. And it says limited edition tweezer duo. Say goodbye to pesky stray hairs. Perfectly calibrated tension for more control and a stress-free tweezing ritual. This duo includes 2 stainless steel tweezer designs that I'm trying to get out of this box. Let me open up the bottom and push the bitch out. There we go. There we go. So that's what they look like. So this duo includes 2 stainless steel tweezer designs, one with a slanted tip and one with a pointed tip. Let me remove these. So there's the 2 different styles. That would have been cool if they were both the same color since they were in the same thing, but maybe different colors represent the different types of tweezers. I'm not quite sure, but that's cool that we received a tweezer duo set. So again, those are the 2 different ones and valued for $24. The next one in here is a Laura Geller New York. It does have a little bit of fallout throughout, but it was wrapped in bubble wrap by itself. This individual one was in here all by itself that was inside the other bubble wrap container. So it's not like it's something that just broke. It just seems like this like leftover product on the side just came loose is what it looks like to me. But this is it says Glided Honey Baked Gelato Swirl Illuminator. And you guys, if you follow me, you know I don't really use much of highlighter. So I'm going to set this as Okay, so I went to just shake out the little bit that was on top, and I guess there was more to it because this whole thing just came out of it. So I won't put this in a future giveaway for one of you guys because I don't want you to get something that's now definitely broken. So I guess just those little pieces were an indication that the bottom was off kiltered, because now literally the whole thing is, yeah. So that's what that looks like. So let me just go ahead and swatch it, because now, yeah. So now you can at least see the color. I was gonna save it for one of you guys, but dang, now I can't. So there is what it looks like. And there's that. Very nice, highly pigmented. It looks like it would be a good one. So there's that. This right here says that it's a super-sized baked gelato illuminator in diamond dust or glided honey. And again, I got glided honey, so there would have been 2 different colors. Holy moly, this is valued for $55. The best-selling illuminator is yours in a super size that will last you a lifetime. The limited edition super size version applies like a sheer powder, but then like a cream, creating a translucent wash of a luminous color and a youthful lit from within glow. So there is that. But that is a really pretty, I might just keep that and just try to like push it back in. I don't know, it actually is a really pretty color. And now that I've already stuck my finger in there, I might just keep that. Okay, so now that I have a mess in front of me, let's just keep on going. So then the next item is right here. It's by Suva Beauty. And this says that it is a liquid lipstick valued for $18. Glossy Lumination Liquid Lipstick is formulated to deliver a punch of opaque color and comfortable flexibility. Comfortable flexibility. Yep, that's what it says. Sometimes I think my brain sees things wrong, but you know, that was right this time. All right, so this is what the color looks like. Right there, it kind of looks like a pink, like coral kind of color. So let's see what this looks like swatched. Oh no, it is more of like a red. Almost like a true red. There's that. So you have a red glossy lamination liquid lipstick. What did I call it earlier? Lumination? Probably. Lamination. Is what it's called. So there is a real red right there. And then the last item, you guys, is going to be the palette. And the palette that I received is going to be right here. And it says Sweetheart. That is really cute packaging. This is valued for $20. It's the Sweetheart palette. You have the perfect balance of mattes and shimmers that can create from the most subtle of looks to the sultriest. With blushing and bright pinks to soft champagne and peaches to deep and bold shades, you'll have everyone swooning over your eyeshadow. So let's see what, ooh, that is definitely a bright colored palette. Perfect for like spring or summer. I do like the fact that it does have some burgundies, like darker ones, and then like these lavender purples. So this can be created by several different really cool bright looks. And I like that. Plus I'm really, really comfortable with more burgundies and browns. So I can definitely use the burgundies and it would just, you know, it would be like my normal comfort zone. So I do like that there is a different shade formulation in here of the different colors. And it looks really pretty. This love story right here, holy moly, that looks really pretty. Let's see. See, this is like the type of color that I would love to have on my lower lid. Let me just do a few of these shimmers here. So there are a few of the shimmer shadows. And then let me grab just a few of the other colors. I definitely want to grab that one Dark Passion. It's like a dark plum color. Ooh, let me just grab these 3. So right there, I put a light lavender, I put the like burgundy plum wine color, and then the All Mine. Let me show you. This one, and then this one are the 3 colors I chose. But there's that palette again. So that is everything that came in the April/May beauty box from Tribe Beauty, you guys. So going over this We have a rose scented Spongel. If you like rose scented, you're probably going to absolutely love this because I love Spongel, just not rose. Then you have 3 different little masks here to try out, which that's cool that there's 3 different ones inside. You have a red liquid lipstick. You have a tweezer duo set of 2 different tweezers. You have a Laura Geller baked highlighter. And then you have this Sweetheart palette. So that is everything that came in this box. Go ahead and comment down below. Let me know, what did you think of the items that they put in here? What did you think of this box? If you want a little bit more information about Try Beauty, I will let you know right about now. Again, they are an every other month. They're a bi-monthly company, so you receive this every 2 months. So there's only 6 of them out of the year instead of 12. I really, really like that. So you're not getting bombarded with tons of makeup, tons of products that you just don't know what to do with. At least with this one, it's every other month. So I do really like that. So they did generate my own code, which is SheCrafty. SheCrafty will save you 10% off your order. You will receive a box of trendy and indie brands every 2 months. You always get full-size products as well. So every box you'll get 5 full-size products worth over $100. And the bag is $34.99 plus shipping. Again, it's every 2 months. Try Beauty Box is 100% female-owned company. You will receive products from trendy to independent to upcoming brands. Our beauty experts carefully select each item based on a staple product needed in each beauty kit, as well as current trends. Now with this, they kind of give you almost like a full face. You get a palette, you'll have, a lip product, where you have the highlighter, you even have like a beauty products in here with the skincare as well, which is a good variety, and it normally always kind of matches, so I do appreciate that. So that is everything, you guys. Again, comment down below and let me know what you thought about this. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye, Crafty crew, out.